So for this problem, to find the value for A, B, and C. So from this given equation, so first, we need to find the value for C. Now take note that for the value for C, multiplied by 3 because there are 3 C's, the answer must contain the value for C. So if we have C equals 1, then multiplied by 3, this is equal to 3. So since we let C equals 1, therefore the answer must contains 1. Since the answer is 3, therefore this is not the value for C. Then if C is equal to 3, then times 3, this is equal to 9. So we let C equals to 3, so the answer must contains 3. Since there is no 3, therefore C is not equal to 3. Then if we let C equals 5 times 3, this is equal to 15. So observe, we let C equals 5 and the answer contains 5. So therefore, C is equal to 5. So for C equals 5, this is 5 plus 5 plus 5. This one is 15. Then carry 1. Then again, C is equal to 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, this one is 10. Then carry 1. And 1 plus A, that's equal to 2. Therefore, A must be equal to 1 because 1 plus 1, that's 2. So A equals 1. Then to solve now for B. So since A is equal to 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So therefore, 1 plus 1, that's 2. Then we need to find the value for B that will give us 1. So therefore, B must be equal to 9 because 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus 9, that's 11. So this is 11, carry 1. Then we have 1 plus 5, that's 6, plus 5, that's 11, then carry 1. And 1 plus 1, that's 2. So therefore, B must be equal to 9. So these are now the values for A, B, and C.